Hello guys, welcome back to Chess Journey. Previously we have seen Blackmar DMR Gambit, possible variations, and how white can aggressively take control of the board at the cost of a single pawn. Generally openings are categorized into two types. First is where we get advanced development and second is forming gambit to get positional advantage for attack. The Blackmar DMR Gambit is a combination of both. That is, it gives advanced development plus ready for aggressive attack. So if black falls for this trap, it is very difficult to get a win position. In this video, I am going to show you how to defend against Blackmar DMR Gambit. There are two ways to defend. First is if you accept the Blackmar DMR variation, then go for positional defense. Second is you can decline the Blackmar DMR variation at early stage by playing E6 French defense or C6 Caro-Kann defense. Let's take a look at positional defense after accepting the gambit. The main line of Blackmar DMR is D4, D5, E4, D cross E4, Knight C3, Knight F6, F3, E cross F3, and Knight cross F3. In this position, white has a solid center position with development advantage, and black is having extra pawn. According to attacking strategy, white will try to cover most of the center square by taking out the bishops. As we know from previous video, here if black continue with covering the center square, then we lose the game. Whenever you got into similar situation where you have material advantage but position is not so good for you, then go for positional defense. That is, you have to clear the cramped position plus move your king to safe side. Here you can play e6, which will free up the dark square bishop and ready for castle on next move. Otherwise, best you can do is play g6 and transpose into king's Indian defense. The variation continues with bishop to c4, bishop g7, and both sides castle on king side. Thus you can see that development is quite equal. Black has still extra pawn, and if you analyze this position, engine will show minus 0.70 difference, which is good for black side. Another possibility is declining gambit at early stage. In this, first we will see e6 French defense variation. If e cross d5 is played, then by recapturing the pawn, the position is equal. White can also try e5. Here just continue with the development. So knight to c6, knight to f3, f6. If white captures the pawn, then knight cross f6 will give development advantage for black and near about equal position. Or if knight to c3 is played, then capture the e5, d cross e5, d4 attack on knight, knight to e4, queen d5 again attack on knight, bishop d3, knight cross e5, and queen cross e5 grabbing extra pawn. Likewise, on second move, we can play c6, transpose into Caro-Kann defense. This variation will decline the Blackmar DMR gambit, and after some development moves, we will get equal position game. The variation goes like knight c3, e6, knight f3, bishop b4 pinning the knight, bishop d2, knight e7 free up the king side, bishop to d3, both side castle on king side, c5 to free up the cramped positions, d cross c5, bishop cross c5, rook moves on e file, knight to c6, and after this both can continue with the equal game. So this was all about how to play against Blackmar DMR Gambit. Among all the variations, the King's Indian defense and E6 French defense are the most beneficial for black side. If you really liked the video, then don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Before leaving, here is a puzzle for you. It's black to move and mate. Try to answer this in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Bye.